Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about modeling of power system components to find Y bus using inspection method. Modeling of transmission line. Transmission lines are usually modeled by nominal pi method. The series impedance of the line, that is ZL, is nothing but RL plus J into XL, and YC by 2 on either of the side is half line charging admittance. So in the nominal pi method, half of the line charging admittances is shown in shunt at the two buses where the line is connected, that is I and J here. YL is the inverse of ZL. So YL is equal to 1 divided by ZL, where Y means admittance, which is equal to 1 divided by RL plus J into XL. So to find out the Y bus matrix, we need to find out the diagonal elements as well as the off diagonal elements. These are the diagonal elements and these are the off diagonal elements. Suppose we consider that to the ith bus already we have kth bus connected with the impedance, and then we have lth bus connected with impedance. Similarly to the jth bus also. Now these all which are already connected to the ith bus are called as old values. Now we are introducing the I to j, that is ijth bus. Additionally, that is ZL we are including. So now to add this, YII new will be equal to YII old. So old here with respect to I is K and L, which is already connected, the impedance of that. And then YL. So YL is nothing but the admittance of this value. And then we have YC by 2, which is the half line charging admittance connected to ith bus. Same way, if we go with YJJ new, so to J, the bus or the admittance which is connected is, one is ZL, the other one is YC by 2. So ZL will be YL, and then we have YC by 2 connected to jth bus, and obviously YJJ old. Same way, if you are going with YIJ new, YIJ old minus YL. So YL is between I and J, you have the admittance YL. And same way, YJI new is equal to YJI old, and again minus YL. So for off diagonal elements, you are going to add the admittance with the negative sign. And same way for diagonal elements, you are adding everything with the positive sign. Modeling of transformers. So suppose if you are considering the modeling of a transformer with nominal ratio, then the admittance value, that is 1 divided by RT plus J into XT for the transformer. That is shifting the secondary side impedance to primary or primary side impedance to the secondary side, we are going to model this. So when there is off nominal transformer ratio, so the difference between the nominal and off nominal transformer ratio is the voltage ratios, that is V1 by V2 will be equal to N1 by N2 in case of transformers. This is called as nominal ratio. But sometimes because of the voltage which keeps on changing and there is a adjustment of the voltage which is need to be done, so a tap changing facility is provided. So in that case, when the turns ratio is different from the ratio of rated voltages, the ratio is said to be off nominal ratio. This is the off nominal ratio of the transformer, that is A:1, which is present between ith bus and jth bus, and this is the value of this, that admittance of the transformer. This has to be rewritten as Y1, which is represented in series with the ith bus and jth bus, and Y2 and Y3 in shunt with I and J respectively. So the value of Y1 in terms of the turns ratio and the actual admittance becomes Y1 is equal to YT by A, and Y2 will be equal to YT into 1 minus A divided by A square, and Y3 will be equal to YT into A minus 1 divided by A. So YII new is equal to YII old plus, if we just observe the diagonal, that is ith bus, the element, that is admittance, which is connected is Y1 and Y2. So we are going to write it as Y1 plus Y2 here. And same way, if you observe YJJ new is equal to YJJ old, and the value connected, that is admittance connected to the jth bus, is Y1 and Y3. So we are going to add Y1 and Y3, and Yij new is equal to Yij old. Between I and j, the admittance is Y1, and I have told you off diagonal is with a negative sign. So we are going to represent it as minus Y1. Same way, Yji new is equal to Yji old minus Y1. Next is modeling of shunt element. Yii new will be equal to Yii old plus whatever the shunt element which is added to the particular bus. Next is modeling of load. Yii new is equal to Yii old and the admittance value which is connected to that particular bus. Thank you for watching.